Hey everyone, it's Dave from Dave's Ohio Barbecue. Today we are going to try to smoke cream cheese. Stick around. So for a previous recipe that I did on my channel, smoked buffalo chicken dip, I wanted to try to get a little bit more smoky flavor into it than just smoking the chicken thighs. And I tried smoking the cream cheese as well, and I'll put a link to that video up here somewhere, okay? I went and searched. There wasn't that much information on people smoking cream cheese. Some people had smoked them at a low temperature. I did find a thread on the Smoking Meats forum, which I'll put a link to that down below in the description, where they talked about smoking cream cheese at 250 degrees. I find smoking cheese at a higher temperature, if it can stand the heat, gets the smoke to absorb a little better. You get a little bit more of that like smoky rind on the outside. So I wasn't really interested in doing a cold smoke. I'm usually not a fan of the results of cold smoked cheese. The process could not be simpler. I took the cheese out of the wrapper, I put it in a small pan. You could probably just even fold up a piece of tin foil or something, just something to keep it from falling through the grates on your smoker. I set my smoker to 250 degrees. I used apple pellets just because I thought the sweetness from that would complement the cheese nicely. And then I just scored the top of the cream cheese. I just did a couple lines, across long ways and then a couple more lines going the short way. That just gives it room to expand, because when this cheese heats up in there and starts absorbing the smoke, it is going to kind of settle. It's not going to melt, it's just going to kind of puff and settle a little bit. And those lines give it a place to, expand. Onto the smoker, I put it in the back end of my smoker that tends to be a little bit cooler than the front, near where the pellet is. But use your discretion. I don't know how your smoker works. It could have the fire pot in the middle. Just try to find a cooler spot to put the cheese. And I smoked it for 1 hour. That was it. 1 hour. It absorbed plenty of smoke. And then once it's done smoking, I just put some foil on top of the pan and I put it into the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. Because, you don't want to eat hot cream cheese. That just sounds weird. And as for the taste, well, let's try it out. I'm going to try it on a pretzel trip here. Let's see here. All right, cheers. Here it is. You definitely taste the smokiness. It's not overpowering. It's really nice. It gives it like almost like a nutty sweetness to it. It's really tasty. And it worked really, really well in my smoked buffalo chicken dip as well. So if you're looking for something new, something different to spread on your bagel in the morning, smoke some cream cheese. Why not? As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to me on social media. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Dave's Ohio Barbecue. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook page. Just go to Facebook and search for Dave's Ohio Barbecue. You should be able to find it. And then also make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscription button down below. Hit the little bell next to it. That way you get a notification anytime I make a new video. I got a lot of videos coming out really soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.